The world is in the fourth industrial revolution. Technology has become a backbone for every industry vertical. Microsoft has been dominating the space from the time of operating systems till AI. Initially, it was more of a licensing business, whereas SQL licenses, Active Directory licenses were sold. But now, the new era of cloud and cybersecurity has changed the picture entirely. It is more of a services game now. So every $1 Microsoft spends on licensing, a service-led partner can earn up to $7. We all know the model. It follows from the vendor, which is Microsoft, then the distributors, then the indirect partners to the customer. Microsoft highly relies on its partner for its growth. More than 95% of the business is being driven by the channel partnership. And to enable the partners and to enable this model, Microsoft comes up with a lot of strategies and models. Whereas in the models like short step program, MCI fundings, the solutions partner designations, the fast track program. But the partners don't have the knowledge, they don't get the right insight, and again, they big time lack in having the technical skill sets. There were a few challenges in the Microsoft ecosystem, starting with the distributors. Number one challenge was less margins on the licensing. Number two, distributors couldn't afford to have a technical team. Number three, high volume of licensing transactions. Coming to the partner challenges, partners were focused only on one technology. It would be modern work, biz apps or Azure. But Microsoft had a portfolio of technologies. This was a challenge to the partners because partners couldn't afford to have a bench of resources, whereas in Microsoft is having around 100 solutions in the market. Number two, partners were not updated on the latest trends around Microsoft, what Microsoft is launching, how to sell it, how to position it to the customers, and again the delivery of the products. There was a lot of demand in the SMB and SMB sector for Microsoft products. A lot of RFPs, RFQs, RFIs were released, but partners couldn't bid to those RFP, RFQs because they had shortage of skill set, they didn't have the right resources, and they didn't know the right procedure to bid for an RFP or an RFQ. We believe that solving these challenges would transform the Microsoft ecosystem. We are on a mission to be a service distributor for Microsoft technologies and to fill in the gaps from the distributors to the partners to the end customer. So how do we actually do it? Starting with the partners itself. We start with assessing their partner center, checking which solution designation is the right designation for them, checking if they're getting the right fundings and right rebates as per the solution designation. Number two, enabling them with our highly skilled pre-sales experts because pre-sales plays a very important role. Letting know the customer what the exact solution would look like in their infrastructure and then converting it into it. Number three, we do an end-to-end solutioning for the partners, whereas they only have to confront the customer, they only make sure the satisfaction is there in place. But from the pre-sales till the end delivery, it is our KRA to get it done with a team of experts from pre-sales to end solutioning. But we don't stop here. We tell our partners and we also educate them that a monthly recurring revenue is very important. So focus on a monthly recurring revenue, and then we have plans and bundle curated for the partners to actually create a managed services portfolio around Azure, M365, Dynamics and security. So eventually helping the partners in curating the customer journey, placing products to the customer, and then helping them with the Microsoft solution designations and right fundings. Then getting them highlighted to the distributors because then the distributors know, yes, there is a partner who has certain skill set and designations, which in turn solves the problem of a partner, of distributors and Microsoft itself.